You ever go to the hardware store and you want to take that circular saw blade and make it a clock? It has a hammer and a jigsaw and a nice second hand, as just read. It is sharp, the edges, so please be careful. It takes a battery in the back. It has the keyhole hook that you can hang it up, and it will tell time if you set it correctly. You're going to supply your own AA battery, put it in. There is a red handle in the back over here that you're going to adjust the time. As you can see right here, I'll bring it to the exact time of 11 o'clock. Please don't adjust the handle this way. And if the arm does get bent a little, pull the battery out so you could just adjust it correctly. Let's go hang this bad boy up, show you what it looks like. Please forgive my hanging skills, but there is my clock hung up just like so in my place. So if you're looking for a clock that can tell time that gives your work area some dress up, this clock may be right for you.